हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे. Today I am telling you the glory of Bhagavad Katha. Many glory of Bhagavad are mentioned. One of them is when Bhagavad Katha after 7 days it was over. King Parikshit left his cosmic body and reached Mukti Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, salvation, direct heaven. This message is spread all around the world. When Brahmaji heard this message, he was very wondered. He says, I cannot believe only one book listening 7 days and meeting direct to God. How it is possible? I shall take test this Bhagavad. So he calls all deities, demigods, many monks. And Brahmaji asked for a balance. Brahmaji ordered, one side in balance you put only one Bhagavad book, and other side you keep 4 Vedas. Rig Ved, Sham Ved, Atharva Ved, Yajur Ved, or Vedas you put inside. Let's see what happened. But see, Bhagavad pen balance is heavy than 4 Vedas. Brahma said, remove this. Now keep 6 Upanishad and one side Bhagavad Katha. But the weight of Bhagavad is heavy than 6 Upanishad. Brahmaji's mind is not working. What is happening? What is inside in Bhagavad? Remove this all. Now he commands, in one side of balance you put Bhagavad and other side all 17 Purans, which were composed by Ved Vyas. Let's see what happens. But Bhagavad pen balance is still heavy than all 17 Puranas. Brahmaji now say, remove this all. Now keep one side Bhagavad and other side of balance pouch of 1,000 years penance, fruit, reward of lakhs years austerity. Now let's see what happens. But Brahmaji and other monks sages, God, see, Bhagavad pen balance is heavy than all pouch of 1,000 lakh years penance. Finally, Brahmaji ordered, one side keep Bhagavad Katha and other side you keep all 4 Vedas, 6 Upanishad, 17 Purans, and vows of 1,000 lakhs years penance. But Brahmaji, gods, all deities, sages, monks were surprised to see the Bhagavad pain balance is still more heavy than all Vedas, Purans, Upanishad. Brahmaji realized his fault and he obeisance before Bhagavad Katha. He announced in the world. Brahmaji invoked all cosmos that Bhagavad Katha is the one of the greatest transcendental in the world in Kali Yuga. None of things can compare. None of things can equality of Bhagavad. This is the glory of Bhagavad, where Brahmaji himself certified that Bhagavad is the greatest and only for one source in Kali Yuga to meet God. It is the only for one resource to liberate and meet the God. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.